Right-click the folder Reference Images and select Hide Show to hide the blueprints. Pick the subdivision surface and press space to enter modification mode. Select alignment to align the center points of the car with the symmetry plane. Make sure point selection and on-body are enabled. Select the ZX plane as the reference plane for alignment. Use trap selection to select all points along the center line. Left-click the Y-axis of the robot to project the selected points onto the ZX plane. Press Escape to exit modification mode. On the Shape Sculpt tab, select IMA Symmetry from the Symmetry Types list. First, pick the ZX plane to define the symmetry plane, then select the subdivision surface. Right-click the geometrical set and choose Hide Show to hide the original surface and display only the symmetrized geometry. Check that the symmetry is clean and free of artifacts. If necessary, realign the center points to the symmetry plane.